Hey everyone. So in my last tutorial, I started things off with a subdivide node. And in this one, we're going to take it a step further by using instances after subdividing the mesh. Instances are actually used all over Blender. And if you're not familiar with them, basically an instance is just a copy of an object. The big benefit, it saves a ton of memory. All right, let's get started. First, make sure your object is selected. We're just using the default cube here. Head over to the Modifiers tab and create a new geometry node setup. Now down at the bottom, change the editor type to the geometry node editor. Go ahead and enlarge that editor a bit. And select the geometry node tree and press period on the numpad to zoom into your selection. And if you want to close the properties panel, just hit N on the keyboard. Change the viewport shading to wireframe. And now you can see that the default cube we're working with is made up of 6 connected faces and 8 connection points. Go ahead and add a subdivide node. The cube's going to disappear for a second, but don't worry about that. When we set it to 1, it breaks each face down into 4 faces, which also gives us 4 extra connection points on each side. Now, since we want to place an object on each one of those points, let's add an instance on points node and drop it in after the subdivide node. Just remember, node trees work left to right, so order matters here. Create a new cube. This is going to be the object we're instancing. Grab its mesh output and plug it into the instance input on that instance on points node. All right, the viewport's still in wireframe mode, so let's switch it back to solid so we can actually see what we're dealing with. And yeah, the cubes are way too big right now, so let's scale them down. Next, we'll add a material to the instanced cubes. Add a set material node and place it after the instance on points node. Head over to the Materials tab. There'll already be a default material there. Since we haven't set up the project render settings yet, we'll just stay in solid viewport mode. Scroll down to Viewport Display and change the color. This material is simply called Material, so just select it in the Set Material list. And that's it, we've added a material to the cubes. That wraps up this short tutorial on using instances in geometry nodes. If you've got any questions, drop them in the comments. I'm always happy to help. And if you have any tips or feedback, I'd love to hear that too. I'm always looking for ways to make these tutorials better for you. You can also follow me on Twitter and Instagram, and feel free to share your projects with me there. I love seeing what you create. And of course, if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Blender tutorials. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.